Hey, Shopify finally did his thing after breaking down from the run to 123 to 124 here, and then testing the point of control just at 120. We tested that really just at the close Friday, and that was a real nice setup. I'm not involved, but if you happen to catch that, again, market profile works on any liquid item, and the thing about it is you can see here. Even on going back a couple months, that this is really top heavy. Now you pull it back to July here, looking at 3 months, and you can see point of control is back here at 92, and it looks likely there are a number of holes. The first one was whooshed this morning, second one was whooshed, and almost this third, and then there's holes all the way down. So any bounces that you continue to see, Shopify should continue to fill all the way back here to 92. The writing was on the walls here in that first break test, right back to the significant volume zone, as we pointed out in the 1 month chart, and it came right back to that. That was your point of control over the last month, and since then again ripped right down. And this is why looking at the multiple time frames is so important, because you start to see why it moves so fast through these holes. There was not a lot of participation, and this is a good lesson to also look at things like the major indices when you are trading the futures. There are a ton of holes in this market right now, whether you're looking at the Russell, whether you're looking at any of these products. And here's another good example of the Russell. When it does roll over, it's going to move quickly down to 1494. It'll pause, really from 94 to 83. Maybe bounce again up to 1507, and then it'll, once it gets through 83, it'll rip down to 67, etc. So this is the way markets move after they've had these huge parabolic moves. When they do break, and that is the time that you want to get involved from the short side. Until then, it's just a guess, right? We don't know when it's going to break. And going back to Shopify, that's the great thing looking at this chart. Why it matters is that if you understand the time frame of where it came from, August lows of 87 all the way up to 123. I mean, geez, that's a 50% move in less than a month, and which is, again, really where this market is. But that break right after that move, right in here, told you this thing's going to go down, and it paused where it should and came back again. Understanding the multiple time frames, why it came back here to test that, kind of the scene of the crime where it broke down. The initial breakdown went further, came back, test, and then today you get the continued whoosh. So congratulations if you were involved. Fantastic trade, and any bounces here that you get, really 112, 114, 116, you can continue probably to put this on and watch. I would play it with options, because there's plenty of opportunity with this stock. It has been an internet darling in the IoT world. So have a great day, and be careful out there.